Lordship may say, this applicant gives. I'm sorry, my Lord Justice Raman doesn't have. So they give 30 preferences.
Right?
Yes.
Right. So they had given preferences at the time of filing of the applications.
I'm grateful.
And based on their preferences, you prepared a merit list. Not based on their preferences, you prepared a merit list.
I'm grateful.
And you allotted a particular district based on the preferences.
I'm grateful.
Or the candidates already selected might have a grievance that I have not been allotted a proper district.
No one has come.
Therefore, a person may claim
Correct.
I ought to have been given
yes.
a puri instead of Badar.
I'm grateful.
All right.
I'm grateful.
So this can be this thing. But if you prepare a merit, even if you prepare a merit list,
yes,
district-wise,
yes,
a candidate may say that my preference was this, my first preference was this, I had better merit position. Still, someone of less merit has been given.
Correct. You will be absolutely.
These circumstances can emerge.
Can emerge. No difficulty. Because he knows when he is applying that I will be considered one of those 30 districts. That is why he is giving 30. Now kindly come to page 39. What has fallen from your Lordship? Lord, is exactly what page 39 is. I prepare a merit list. I give them allocation. One of the merit list persons can come and say that, look, I could have got Puri, you have given me Deccanad.
That is, therefore it is draft.
Therefore it is draft. And no one who has qualified, who is a part of the merit list is before your Lordships, complaining this. But I bow down to what your Lordship is saying. But if your Lordships hold, as the learned single judge has said, that district-wide preference will prevail over merit, I have no case. I have no case. But if 8.2 has to be given some meaning, and pursuant to 8.2, one test has been held, and based on the mark, a merit list has been prepared, and then districts are filled up, and somebody who has qualified, who is in the merit list is complaining, would be a question where Lordship may consider. Here,
why this district-wise list was placed in seal cover?
Because my learned single judge said that this is not a district-wise list. So what we did, we broke this list into districts. For example, if your Lordship sees page 39, just as an illustration, suppose there are 5 Mayurbhanjas. We put all Mayurbhanj in one list. Right? We put. But he said, no, this is not good enough. Because you have prepared this list. You have prepared this list on the basis of merit. So merit could not have been, because 8.3 says it is district preference. So everybody, you first take out the district preferences, irrespective of the merit. Suppose Baleswar, 20 people have applied, fill all 15 in Baleswar first. In other words, give a go by to 8.2, as the Lordship said, Supreme Court now says 14 and 16 says that merit is a very relevant criteria.
Who is appearing for the other side?
In fact, to add to this, the Lordship says...
No, someone is appearing for the other side.
Yes.
No, I have the instruction, I did not get, and I have the repetition, I have not filed power, madam. The clients, they both person.
Your Lordship, may I submit something?
I will submit, madam.
May I make a small submission?
Just a minute. What we intend to do is, you are 4 persons.
But there are other batch of cases decided. I was only the...
Let us say, there are 200 persons.
There are batch of cases.
I have 15,000 candidates out of 20,000. I told the Honorable Single Judge, I said, keep 500 posts. Because in any case, I am not filling up anything more than 15,000.
If he can address tomorrow.
Fair enough, no difficulty. I have also tried to candidate my
May I just one point? The entire 8.1 to 8.3, basically what it meant was this, that the state is never going to compromise and have a teacher which does not meet the qualifications under 8.2. So they went out of zone of consideration because they did not pass that exam. Then 8.3 comes in between those people who have cleared 8.2. Then, after they were out of the zone of consideration because they were not fit to be teachers, And then amongst who are fit to be teachers, they would fight it out among preference and the marks you secure. That is how the whole thing should have been viewed. But what the single judge thought, no, you put it only district-wide. Because if that argument is taken to its extreme, then a person who has secured 0 can also get the last post, say in a district like Khurda, where there may be more posts. So therefore, there is an absurdity in that thing. State never intended to compromise with the merit. And I believe that's the substance was.
And I was also
There are how many appeals?
But there are 3 to 4 appeals. Four appeals.
Altogether 4 appeals.
One is mine, the rest are one is mine, the rest are successful candidates.
I will request my friend to supply the copy.
Yes, just now.
No, what I suggest to
Intervention application. So I will be supplied with the copy.
No, you are supporting or against? Yes. Supporting us or against?
no.
Successful candidate? No. Come here.
So once they cross over 8.2, they lose their locus. And because we have crossed over 8.2, we become the necessary part.
Clarify.
And that's where Mr. Rautrai's judgments would come into.
A very vital point came to my lord's mind that they have a right of objection, clause 8.5. Once the list is published, in terms of clause 8.5, objection will be invited. As your lordship rightly
We will not observe in our order.
Absolutely. Correct, but then your lordship sees 8.5. That is what is there.
The best course
Is
would be
there.
subject to your lordship's acceptance, as rightly suggested by the Lord Advocate General. There are about 15,000 vacancies are there, 20,000.
Best course would be
Yes, sir.
that this appeal is decided tomorrow.
Yes.
Yes.
Very fair.
All right.
Very absolutely.
If he is also there,
Yes.
there is no requirement. All right, sir. So we will hear all of you.
Fair enough.
There is no requirement of issuance of notice.
My lord.
We can decide the matter tomorrow.
Yes.
We want that.
All right. That will be the best
Yes,
course.
yes.
Why interim order? Why waiting?
Kindly give me
Yes.
Yes, you are.
You supply your email ID. So
You will-
so that we can get it. So this is the fit case when we can turn this court into
E-mode.
Immediately.
I am not equipped by
In view of the
You are already having.
in view of the volume of the names.
Why your lordship will burden it
It's
tomorrow?
already.
Because tomorrow is a Friday.
Yes.
Why not on Monday? Your lordship keep it to Monday and to dispose it.
All right. Monday. And you have already heard the submission.
Yes. I was watching.
He was very much from the beginning.
Yes, sir. You can serve it. My trouble.
This matter heard for the appellants. This matter on.